You can create stunning charity 5K shirt designs in Illustrator, even if you're a total beginner. And I'm going to show you how. Join us in this exciting tutorial where we dive into the world of graphic design by creating stunning typography for a charity 5K shirt using Adobe Illustrator. Here are the colors and phrases we will use. Run strong. Soar high. Energize the Eagles. Annual Family 5K. Font name. Poets and One. First I downloaded an image from Google which was a large size. And then live traced it on Illustrator. Now I am ungrouping it in front of you. And we will select only one piece from it. And we'll remove the rest. With the magic wand tool we will delete the white part. And black will select from it. But we have a pair here that we're going to delete one part of and only one part we're going to select for our work. The black part of the shoe we have selected. We will make it bigger. And we'll see what flaws are there in it. When we zoom in on it, we'll see that there are holes in it that we'll fix next. Now we will ungroup it. And wherever we see flaws in it, the lines are crooked, then we will fix them with the smoothing tool. Somewhere we'll use an eraser and erase things. Somewhere we also have to use the pen tool so that we can straighten the different shapes. Because we have to do typography next, we have to completely fix our image. Typography is the art and technique of arranging type to make written language visually appealing and legible. It involves choosing fonts, spacing, and layout to convey a message or emotion. In graphic design, typography can be creatively enhanced by integrating it with images or shapes. One method is using the Envelope Distort tool in Adobe Illustrator, where you can slice an image or shape and warp your text to conform to its contours. This approach allows for dynamic and visually striking compositions, blending the text seamlessly with the visual elements, creating a cohesive and engaging design. You can see how I'm using the pen tool to finish off the various pieces where the lines are steady, straightening them out so that when we apply our text here, we don't have any issues with it. It's a lot of hard work. Work very calmly, but this work is very important and you have to do it if you get a very good image made. It's very good, but the work we do with our hands. And if you do it with your own hard work, there is more merit in it, so do your own work with your own hard work, and when an excellent thing is created in front of you, you will be very happy. If you like my work, then please express your opinion. And definitely subscribe to my channel. And will definitely watch the videos on it. You will definitely benefit from it. Come on sir, our image is complete. Now let's go to our text. Here we will separate our text and convert it to words. All the words will be separated one by one. And after that they will create outline. We'll ungroup it when it's done. This way all text will start working like objects and we will be able to use them easily. Now, we'll arrange all the words, placing each word below the other to maintain the correct order. This ensures that when we start our work, all the words will be perfectly aligned and positioned correctly. Here I have selected yellow color for these words. You can see that I have already selected colors from which we will use some colors here. You can see that a sentence is still there below, which I haven't touched. Now we will do exactly the same processing with this sentence as we did with the sentences above. We'll separate all the words. Create outlines, we'll make them. And then separate them into an object. Because we will use this sentence under the image. So I have set it separately and I have also kept its color different. We have selected the color of the sentences below to be light blue. When this image is complete in front of you, you will see how good the color combination looks. Now we will ungroup this image so that all the parts are separated and we can put all our words in this image. Now we will take an image piece and a word. Put the piece up and put the word down. And voila, we'll go to Distort. Make use of the top object. But you can see that our text is not looking very clear now. For this we will take another approach. Let's see how I'm doing. Now I will cut this piece in two places with the eraser tool. And in the middle I will try to fit the font. But still our font doesn't look quite right, so now we take another method. From this middle section we will make 3 more sections so that all the alphabets are applied separately. Now we will continue to fit each alphabet separately using the make with a top of jacket option here. First we will do the letter R, then we will do the letter U, and after that we will do the letter N. This is also a way to make your text stand out. It will take a little more effort, but it will make our work look better. If you are passionate about this work, then you can do it because it should not be rushed as the whole work gets spoiled. Now we will connect the 2 corners of the side with the help of direct selection tool. Do this very carefully. Check it out, it's ready. Group it. As I've told you over and over again, we'll also use the smooth road to finish the lines and use the direct selection tool to round off the edges and make the text look a lot better. Likewise, we will fit all the words within this show, but every time there will be some change in our method. So look carefully. You will find many ways to do typography. This video is going to get pretty long, so I'm going to show it to you very quickly. But please repeat and stop again and again to see how I am doing, otherwise you will not understand. Typography is an incredible art form that goes beyond just arranging letters and words on a page. It's about creating an experience. In this video, you'll discover a myriad of typography methods, each meticulously crafted to convey emotion, meaning, and style. From the elegance of classic fonts to the boldness of modern designs, typography has the power to transform simple text into something truly captivating. By exploring different techniques, you'll see how typography can elevate your designs, making them more visually engaging and communicative. So, I encourage you to watch this video in its entirety, not just once, but multiple times. Each viewing will reveal new insights and ideas that will enhance your understanding of typography's endless possibilities. Dive in, absorb every detail, and let the art of typography inspire your creativity. I can do this for you for very little money. If you have a project, or if there is a t-shirt designing, then they can make it with me. Will tell me for sure. I have explained everything very calmly in front of you. If you still don't understand something, then you must tell me. There is a description box below. You can ask me questions there. Whether you're designing for a charity event or just looking to improve your design skills, this video will provide you with valuable insights and tips. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have the confidence to create your own typography designs for any occasion. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more design tutorials. Let's get started on making a difference with beautiful design.